Hey there, geeks. Tim with MajorGeeks.com. As always, today we're going to show you how to zip and unzip files in Windows 11. Good news is unzipping hasn't changed much, and really zipping hasn't changed much either, but I find it a little more intuitive. They almost give you a few different places to do everything so that it's not that hard to find. If you want to decompress or compress, zip or unzip files that are not zip, you might need 7-zip or pzip. Those are the two we recommend. And that includes 7-zip, ISO files, RAR files, TAR files, all sorts of different formats. Got to be 100 of them out there. But let's do the basics. Let's talk about how to open a file that's zipped up. Really easy to do. Here is a zip, so you want to click on it. You can right-click on it and just do extract all. Or rather than right-click, it's already highlighted and waiting for you right here. So we're going to click extract all. This is checked by default. The first thing I do is uncheck it, and it'll stay unchecked because when it extracts the files, it's going to open a second File Explorer. So unless you want to have multiple instances of File Explorer running, uncheck it because you're probably going to dump it right where you are. So as you can see, it decided the file name is ZZ Star Wars, so it's going to make a folder called ZZ Star Wars. So that's good enough for me. Or just come in here, backspace, change it, and change the folder name to anything you want, or click Browse and take it anywhere you want. Let's hit Extract and see it in action. There you go. There it is. And there's my file. Now I can take that file, open it, copy it, do whatever you want to do with it now that you've got it out of the zip file. Alright, so now you know how to unzip stuff. Pretty easy, right? Let's talk about zipping it. There's a couple ways to do it. Once again, we're going to use File Explorer. So let's take a look here. Let's say I want to send, let me get rid of this. We won't need it, I don't think, for a while. Let's say I want to send this picture to you. There's a couple ways I can do it. Compress it to a zip file, or right-click and compress it to a zip file. And once again, it will take part of the name of the whatever file you're trying to zip, and that's it. And there's the image sitting right there. Pretty easy to do. So once again, right over here at the three dots, compress to zip, right-click, compress to zip. Let's say I got all these pictures and I want to send them to you. So that's not too hard either. All we're going to do now is we're going to do New, Compressed, Zipped Folder. Once again, you can change the name, and I'll just call it Photos. And it's just something I want to send to you. Now just click the picture, move it over. You'll notice it says Copy. Move it over. And move it over. So now you saw me drag and drop 3 into the wrong folder. Good job, dummy. What I got Monday? Let's see here. Let's see if I can get this right so it looks semi-impressive. Like I kind of know what I'm doing. There you go. There's all 3 folders. So you can send that to your friend, and just like we showed you, extract, extract, and there you go. Piece of cake. There's my photos folder that I just zipped up. Cool, right? Easy to do. And of course, it's nice to have it built into Windows simply because Windows and zip, they're kind of the popular thing. You may run into RAR and some of the other stuff over time, but they're the most popular. So, worth mentioning as well, since we have the photos zip here. I wonder if I can delete right within the folder. Yes, you can. That's cool. So, that saves me the photos zip. Another thing you can do is hold your shift down and move your arrow key and highlight as many files as you want. Like that. Now all 3 are highlighted, so shift arrow, try left, right, up, down. All 3 are going to go copy. And there they are. Maybe you want to get everything in the zip, which is kind of hard to do because we put the zip file in here. Control A will highlight everything. And that way you could just take Control A, which I wouldn't do in this case, and just move everything into Photos zip. Didn't like that, but you get the point. Same thing. There you have it. Pretty easy to do, right? Drag, drop, zip, unzip, pop them out, whatever you got to do. Pretty easy to do. I think that they did a nice job of making sure everything was where you need to find it at some point in time. So there you have it. don't forget what you see I'm doing now. If you're in the zip file, you got to make sure you know whether you're in a zip or you're in a folder, because when you're in a zip, none of that works. So it's kind of limitations you see more with the other zip programs that compete with it. But yeah, there you have it. There's how you can zip and unzip files in Windows 11. Piece of cake. Thanks for watching as always. See ya.